Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have so much to do and so little time, I guess. Life of a procrastinator. It's all dirty. I move tomorrow, have to finish packing today, but first we are going to get started with my workout class here at 8, so I have 30 minutes to wake up, take Nala out, brush my teeth, get ready, and then tune in to my Zoom class. So we'll meet again. All right, so I brushed my teeth, washed my face, so workout clothes, whatever. About to start this class in 20 minutes. I'm definitely PMSing. I have really bad cramps. I do not feel like doing this, but I have to get it done. I don't know why I'm using my hands to talk. Well, I'm gonna take Nala out and then we'll catch up. You ready? Finished my class. It is 9:10. Today went a little over than the usual time. You mother. Like I was saying, my class was upper body strength today. It wasn't too bad. It was just one particular workout that reminded me that I have a long way to go because I couldn't pick my heavy ass up for the life of me. To get myself ready. And come on, Nala, so we can get out of here. This room is a mess. I will move that box right now. Are you ready to move? It's okay, just a dream. All right, so I got ready and now we are headed to our first destination, which will probably be Total Wine. Don't judge me. And then we're gonna go to the grocery store, then Starbucks, then lastly grab something to eat. So yeah, we gonna go ahead and get it done.
That means you're extra
So I just got out the store. So the real reason why I went in there is because I needed to replace my mask, and they have really cute ones with like this design, but they didn't have any more. They only had this plain pink one. Like, I like pink, but I wanted either this one right here or that one, but whatever, I needed one anyway. So now I have a plain pink one. I was also looking for this wine, Viking Blood, and I couldn't find it, so I have to come back for it. So instead I got me some pear ciders for this weekend. Now we're going to our next destination. I feel like during these times we've become so spoiled for these establishments to stay open, like Starbucks. They have a long line and I feel so impatient, and I feel wrong for feeling impatient because they're doing the best that they can do and they're still open, and they have been open even through this pandemic. And I just need to do better, and I wanted to get that off my chest. Like, I legit been in line for 20 minutes now and I haven't even started my order. But Thank you to all those workers out there still working and still providing for us people, and just, you know, giving us the best service that they can provide. Except Popeyes. Popeyes is rude as fuck all the time. Even before this pandemic, their customer service is the worst. So, but that chicken and them fries though.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. I'll be with you in just 1 second.
No problem.
A few moments later.
Thanks so much for your patience. What can I get started for you?
Yes, I'll take a Trenta. Oh, I want to try the kiwi starfruit refresher. So apparently they have a new drink, kiwi starfruit, and I hope that it's good. I don't like sour drinks. I don't like lemonade, and it doesn't have lemonade, but kiwi sometimes tends to be sour. So I hope that this drink is not sour. I'm next. Hello. So much.
You have a great day.
You too. Oh, she's pretty. She do kind of smell a little sour though. Let's see what it tastes like. What is hidden for?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh. Oh, no. That was a bad choice. This is fuck. It's pretty, but it tastes nasty. Ooh. That's what I get for trying something new. I don't know. It tastes... reminds me of some candy. I can't think of it. It tastes like that green Jolly Rancher. That's what it tastes like. Personally, I don't like the green Jolly Rancher. I like the cherry because that's just bomb. But yes, this, no. I usually get the berry refresher and replace it with strawberries, but I don't know, maybe I have to acquire that taste, because it's a no for me, honey. No for me. All right, Jessica, you are going in here for
3 items, maybe even 4. Nothing more. You go in here and get out, okay?
I have never seen Goya products this stocked up. I wonder why. It's definitely fast. I'm proud of myself. I went in there, got what I needed. I got out. I think mainly because I'm getting hot. All right, so now we are headed to our next destination. We're gonna grab some food, and I think I want Mr. Shawarma. So we are headed there next. I am headed home. It is absolutely hot. I do not know what possessed me to not only wear a long sleeve, but also wear makeup. I have arrived to my place. I'm excited to eat. I'm not excited to finish packing and doing all of that. But procrastination is a mother. And procrastination is my middle name. See, I just stepped foot in my apartment and I just remembered that I forgot to buy detergent. See, that's why I don't rush. That's why I be taking my time. But this time I told myself, you're just gonna go in there, get what you need and go. And I got what I needed, but I also forgot one important thing that I really do need. I was just in a rush to get in and get out. But either I don't know. I'll probably go back and grab it, or have so much to do. A lot of stuff. Yes, this is a must-have. The chiles, my pita, and then let's get into this. If you know, you know. I'm so excited. So I like to use my pita bread like a tortilla. So I grab a piece like that. Then I stuff. So bomb. So bomb. And you have to get the chile. Looks like that. Girl. It's so bomb. It was so good, but I am so full. This was not good. Not good, at least for me. But hit the spot. Now I gotta hit these damn chores. Nala. Oh, you're so cute, baby. You wanna help mommy? You wanna help mommy? I don't know where to start. Nala, where do I start? Okay, I think I am going to start with the pantry and remove the cabinets. Well, not remove the cabinets, remove the inside the cabinets, then go from there. This is a mess. A mess. These were for the weekend, but I think I'm gonna drink 1 or 2, maybe 3. I am all over the place. I finished with the pantry. Now I have to do the bathrooms and then finish up my room. Why did I wait till the last minute? So here's the deal. I had so much time to pack, like literally a lot of time. And I kept telling myself, you know, self, you have time. You have time, but now the time has come and I don't have time. I feel rushed. I still have, well, we packed majority of the stuff that we have, and we still need a little bit more and patch up some holes, even though we probably won't get our deposit back, but whatever. Nala, what you want, baby? What you want? You want to go outside, Pookie? Yeah? Okay, give me 1 second. Look at Nosy Rosie. I'm just going to pack the towels, and I'm gonna leave a couple out because we still have to shower tonight, and then tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon after work we're gonna go pick up our keys and then start the move. And then the movers will be here Saturday early morning, and we'll get everything out. But for the most part, I'm just getting things out that we really don't use, so we can get that out the way. Just give me a second, okay? Mommy will be right with you. That being said, let's get to it. We don't fit here. Really? We do not fit. Alright guys, so I took a break from packing, even though I shouldn't take a break, but I needed it. I need to head back to the store and grab my detergent and a few other things.
You better not throw away this motherfucking mask. This shit don't come free.
So
I gotta steal that shit.
I'll see you guys later.
Life is cruel that way, but even a broken clock is right at least 2 times a day. You could have turned guns into roses like 2 times today.
Going for a walk, taking a little break. Oh, it is frozen. It is frozen. Where's yours?
Over here by the curb.
So we are going to make a Target run. What are we getting at Target?
I don't do that shit.
For some things. We don't know what things, but some things. It's hot.
I don't know. I wasn't gonna crash into anybody. That person probably would have crashed.
Today has been a very long day, but productive, so I am kind of excited about that. Not excited, I'm very proud of myself for that. I did get to pack, not all, but most of the important shit. So just tomorrow we're gonna come in and get everything out and then finish the last of the laundry because it's free water until we move, and then we gotta pay for the water. So, nosy buddy. It's our night routine, taking Miss Nala out so she can handle her business. Come on. Let's go. Cósate. Good girl. I love you, Pookie. Good night, night. I was so tired I fell asleep, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes.